A pleasant Sunday evening turned without warning into a nightmare. Gusts of wind struck, and this homeowner and pensioner lived through that ordeal. A large oak tree smashed through the roof and flattened 2 cars in the process.
At about 5 o'clock I was working on my PC and I heard a tremendous crash, and I ran to the front of the house and I could see that there was a hole in the front room, dirt cascading through. I had to clamber over the debris, and I saw that this huge tree opposite had fallen right across the road, across 3 cars and onto my house. One of the cars was quite badly clipped, but 2 of them were completely crushed.
The city of Cape Town sawed through the tree and cleared the scene this morning. Electricity will also be restored. The Weather Office predicts intermittent showers today, but a clear day tomorrow. Warmer temperatures are expected by Friday. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.